Hey YouTube family, welcome back, welcome back. How are you guys doing? So before I start off my video, I want you guys to look at me and tell me what you notice that's different about me. Look at me. Tell me what you think. If you haven't guessed it by now, let me tell you. I got my makeup done. And to a lot of you guys, it's not a big deal. To the ones that know me, they know this is the first time I'm ever getting makeup done. So, you know, to some people, it's gonna be funny. It's like, what the heck, Sarah got makeup on? But tell me what you guys think. You know, what do you think? Do you like this look? What do you think? You think it works for me? You know. Anyway, just being a little, you know, silly, but as you see, you know, I'm all dolled up because I just wanted to try it out. But today I'm going to be making something really quick and fast. A lot of you guys don't know about this unless you're Caribbean. I'm going to be making something that's called mackerel. In Jamaica we call it Duttygyal. So I'm going to be making some Duttygyal and white rice, which is, like I said, is mackerel, which is this. And they put it like in tomato sauce. So I'll show you what it is. So let's get started. So preheating the pot. Also now I'm gonna add some olive oil to it. Grease the bottom of the pot. Let it sit there. I'm gonna let it preheat for about 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna add the rest of my stuff. Alright, so guys, so now I'm gonna add the onions. I have a little bit of garlic in there. I'm gonna fry it a little bit. Just gonna let that cook for a little bit. Now we want to go ahead, we're going to add some red bell peppers, green red bell peppers. I'm going to switch up the spoon, and now we're just going to spin everything. Like I said, people, this is going to be quick and fast. This really don't take a lot of time, and it's so tasty. So if you guys haven't tried it, I hope you guys try it and tell me what you know what you think. You can have this with bread, you can have this with white rice. Alright, so we're just gonna let that cook down. It's probably about like, you know, like another minute. People, where I come from, this is what we call a little ghetto meal. It's very quick and fast, and it's tasty. You know, like I said, it's mackerel that they marinated in tomato sauce. It's pre-cooked, but we in Jamaica we call this Duttygyal, you know. Right, so I'm just gonna go ahead. We're gonna add our mackerel. So this is what it looks like once you open the can. Right, so it's gonna go ahead and just gonna pour it in. You know, be careful. It's gonna knock it out. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna break it up. It normally has like this huge bone in it, so I like to take the bone out. So I'll show you what that looks like. So you're just gonna go ahead. It's up to you if you want to eat the bone. I don't really like the bone. You know, so I take the bone out. That one got a little messed up. I'll find it. I'm just gonna pop the bones out. Alright, so once you get all the bones out, and that's it. That's not a lot. Pop these out. I'm gonna go back to spinning everything in the pot. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm adding the black pepper to it. Like I said, guys, it smells so good. And this takes probably about 10 minutes to cook. It really doesn't take long. And guys, your meal is pretty much done. This is it. See that? Now if you want a little bit more gravy, you can add a little bit of water to the rest of the liquid, the sauce that was in the can. And you just put a little bit of it in there, just a little bit, not a lot. I hope you guys try this if you haven't tried it before. For all my following, I hope you try it. See, I found another bone. And that's it. This is pretty much it, guys. Alright, people, now we are back. Now see, I put everything on a plate. Tell me what you think. This is what it looks like. You know, and I just put like a little carrot on it just to, you know, make it look a little nicer. But it's real delicious and it smells delicious. I really hope you guys try this meal. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Turn on your post notification bell. Leave me a comment, you know. Tell me what you think. Please try it, you know. It's really delicious. As usual, you know, I like to take a bite for you guys. You know, so this is how we eat it, you know. It's good. So, don't forget to try it. Like the video, subscribe. Tell me what you think about my makeup. Should I do more videos with makeup on? Or should I just leave it how it was? Don't forget to leave me a comment. I'll see you back in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. God bless.